So 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1, right? And again 7 divided by 7 is equal to also 1. Now 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. But here this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So now PEMDAS, PEMDAS, according to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. First and last priority is addition and subtraction, and also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question we have one division, division and division, and all have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. So 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. Now divide by 7 and divide by 7. So now 1 divided by 7 can be written as 1 upon 7 divide 7. Now according to KCF rule, let's keep this first fraction as it is same, 1 upon 7. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. And F means flip this last fraction, 7 is equal to 1 upon 7, right? So now 1 times 1 is equal to 1 and 7 times 7 is equal to 49. So the correct answer is 1 upon 49, right? If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Directly Education YouTube channel. And also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.